Dear student, we start the next concept in electric charge and electric field topic, dipole in a uniform external field. You already learned in the last video what the meaning of electric dipole. Electric dipole is nothing but two equal charges, but they are opposite, separated by a very small distance. That itself is called electric dipole. Now this electric dipole, when it is placed in a uniform electric field, it will experience the effect called torque. That's why an electric dipole placed in a uniform external electric field experience as a torque. Now you already know about that, the meaning of torque. Torque is nothing but rotational effect produced by the force. But here rotational effect produced by the electric force, that's why that the torque is called electric torque. Now next concept is expression for torque experienced by electric dipole in a uniform electric field. This expression usually they're going to ask for exam for 2 or 3 marks. And again, in case of this diagram, we consider electric dipole. Here we consider positive charge plus Q and negative charge minus Q. These two charges separated by a very small distance, we denote it as 2A. Here electric dipole moment denoted by P vector is directed from negative charge to positive charge. This system is placed in external uniform electric field E. This electric dipole moment P and external electric field E, it makes an angle theta. Here point A we consider positive charge, at a point B we consider negative charge. In between electric field vector E and electric dipole moment P, angle is theta. Now by using this diagram, we have to think about the electric torque is also called as moment of couple. We learn the definition of electric torque or moment of couple in first year rotational motion topic. The electric torque or torque is the product of either force and perpendicular distance between the force. When you're going to see this diagram, here there are two forces are acting. One is F is equal to plus QE, is a force experienced by a positive charge, and the one is F is equal to minus QE, force experienced by a negative charge. These two forces are equal but they are acting opposite. Now any charge is placed in an external electric field, that charge will experience a force. That force we call it as electric force. Here both the forces are equal but they are opposite. From definition of electric torque, we have to take torque is equal to either force into perpendicular distance between the force. Either force is nothing but Q into E. Both the forces are equal but they are opposite in direction. And the second term is nothing but perpendicular distance between the forces. Again, in case of this, AF and F both are equal. Perpendicular distance between these two forces is denoted as AC. That's why here AC is the perpendicular distance between the forces. And to get the answer for AC, we consider triangle ABC. In a triangle ABC, you have to think about sine theta. Sine theta is nothing but opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side is taken as AC, hypotenuse is nothing but AB. By using this, we got sine theta is equal to AC divided by AB. That gives AC is equal to AB into sine theta. In diagram, AB is taken as 2A, separation between two charges. That's why we got AC is equal to 2A into sine theta. Value of this AC 2A into sine theta is substituted in equation number 1 we already taken. Now equation 1 becomes torque is equal to QE as it is. In place of AC in equation 1, you have to take 2A sine theta. On rearranging the equation, we got torque is equal to Q into 2A taken together, E into sine theta. We already learned clearly in a last concept in an electric dipole. Q into 2A is nothing but product of magnitude of either charge and separation between them will provide P vector. Itself is called electric dipole moment. That's why we got the equation like this. Torque tau is equal to, in place of Q into 2A, we have to take it as electric dipole moment P vector. Now torque tau is equal to P into E into sine theta is an expression for electric torque. In a vector form, we can take tau vector is equal to P vector cross E vector. It is a vector product because torque is the vector quantity. Unit for torque is Newton meter. You already learned here unit for torque is Newton meter. Reason is torque is the either force unit is Newton, perpendicular distance unit is a meter. That's why unit for torque is Newton meter. It is a vector product of two vector. P is the electric dipole moment, is the vector quantity. E is the electric field, is also vector quantity. These two are multiplied together by using the cross product or vector product, provide a term called electric torque, is also vector quantity. In a vector form, we can write tau vector is equal to P vector cross E vector is a vector form of electric torque. Next important thing, under torque we can see the number of important note. In that, first important note is direction of torque from we can indicate by using right hand rule. By using a right hand rule, we can indicate the direction of torque. There are three terms. One is P vector, E vector and tau vector. All these three vectors are mutually perpendicular by using right hand rule. And again, second important note is torque is maximum. There will be a maximum as well as minimum value for torque. Torque is maximum if dipole is nothing but electric dipole. P vector is perpendicular to E vector. That indicates that dipole, if it is perpendicular to electric field E vector, that means angle between P and E is theta equal to 90 degree. In such a case, torque becomes maximum. Maximum value of torque is possible if angle between P and E vector is 90 degree. And third important note, torque is minimum if electric dipole P is parallel to electric field vector E. That indicates that angle between P vector and E vector, that is theta, is equal to 0 degree. In this position, electric dipole is under stable equilibrium. In this case or in this position, electric dipole is under stable equilibrium condition. We say that stable equilibrium is one of the important point. If I consider angle between P vector, electric dipole moment P and electric field E, theta is equal to 180 degree. In such a case, dipole is anti-parallel to E. That means electric dipole moment P is anti-parallel to E vector, where theta becomes 180 degree. In this case, torque, electric torque is minimum, that becomes negative value. In this position, electric dipole is under unstable equilibrium. In this case, electric dipole is under unstable equilibrium.